Alright folks, as you can see, we tried to have some fun and do some FL350 snow burnouts. Show you the video up in the corner of the screen. And we were warming up, and one thing led to another. I got there to the edge of the garage, I went to put it in reverse, and our shifter cable broke. Our shifter cable broke right here where it connects into the right here into the shifter, so it will not go in reverse. See, you can see the shifter cable moving. It's not supposed to do that. That piece threads into that piece. So we got Joe from Odyssey TV on the phone, and we asked him to ship us a new FL350 shifter cable. Good thing he's got them in stock over there at odysseylifebybernie.com, because I'd be up Poop Creek without a paddle, guys. Folks, tune in next week for another FL250 giveaway machine video. We're just waiting on the parts man to deliver some parts, and we got Santa stopping by the Odyssey Life Garage. We're super excited about that. We heard from one of the elves. Odyssey Life's been a good YouTube channel, and he's got some presents for the FL350. We're super excited, so I guess tune in for that. Well folks, I guess this is it for the week. I will talk to you soon. If you're riding in the snow, wear a helmet, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next week. Thanks for stopping by. Merry Christmas. Talk to you soon. Bye.